Chào cả nhà, hello guys, I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make my signature Korean kimchi. Kimchi is a famous Korean traditional side dish of salted and fermented vegetable. There are 3 stages for us to enjoy kimchi. Mr. Pham really enjoyed the first stage of kimchi when it is freshly made. The second stage is the prime time of kimchi when it is perfectly fermented with the right amount of wonderful flavors. The last stage is when we can no longer eat kimchi by itself because it becomes way too sour that we have to use it to make kimchi soup or kimchi fried rice. Believe it or not, I learned how to make my kimchi by watching Korean drama, where they mainly travel the country to learn the ins and outs of making kimchi. My former neighbor, who is a Korean, said my kimchi reminded her of her grandmother who lived in the countryside. Anyhow, let me share with you the simplest way to make kimchi that is flavorful, authentic, and long-lasting so everyone in our family can enjoy our labor of love. Here are the main ingredients to make Korean kimchi. We will need Napa cabbage, Korean radish, it is round like this, green onion, and Asian chives. Here I'm using Korean chives. We will also need onion, garlic, Asian pear. We may use box pear, but we need to double it, and Fuji apple. As for seasoning, we will need Korean red pepper flakes, granulated sugar, and coarse sea salt. We will also need salted shrimp sauce and fish sauce. I bought this 5-pound bag of salt at Korean market for $5. This is a premium coarse salt that is so white and clean. I use this salt in many of my pickle recipes for both Korean and Vietnamese. This is Korean red pepper powder or flakes. The color of our kimchi is based on this color. For example, if we like our kimchi to be bright orange red, then we need to choose bright orange red pepper powder by looking at the opening view. We can also buy a smaller jar like this. If your area doesn't carry many brands, then Wang Korea is a safe one to buy, and it is very decent. We need to soak the cabbage in salted water for at least 8 hours. This is a very important step. The salted water will extract all the juice from the cabbage, making them crunchy, and will stay crunchy for a long time. I normally do this step the night before so that this big bowl of salted solution and cabbage can rest on the countertop overnight for 8 hours during my sleeping time. Check this out. The cabbage has shrunk in size, which is a good sign. Soaking the cabbage in salted water for a long period of time will kill all the unwanted bugs and bacteria. This is the secret to keep our kimchi in their prime time for at least 4 months or longer. because we don't want our kimchi to become too sour way too fast. Now, we need to rinse the salted cabbage at least 3 times. Please rinse them gently. After that, we will let the cabbage drain in the colander while we prepare other vegetables. I always reuse my grocery shopping bag when I prepare all the vegetables. This will save a lot of cleanup time at the end. Alright, let's prepare this vegetable. Please be extra careful when using the Japanese mandolin as it is extremely sharp. Set the thickness to slide the ginger root. Slow down when reaching the middle and do not slide too close to the end of it. Now reset the thickness to accommodate the julienne blade. Slide radish into uniform masticks. Please do not press the kimchi when filling the jar. Just let them rest comfortably on top of each other when filling the jar. This recipe will make 2 half-gallon glass jars like this. The leftover kimchi can be kept in a separate glass container for the family to enjoy the freshly made kimchi. Please do not throw the sauce from the bowl away. Add the sauce on top of the kimchi. Wipe the rim of the jar clean and close the lid. The next step is very important. Let the jar rest on the kitchen countertop for the next 24 hours for the kimchi to go through fermentation process. There is a chance for kimchi juice to spill out of the jar, so place a dish under it to prevent any cleaning accident. Okay, let's have a taste test. Here I'm just gonna eat with steamed rice, and on days that you don't have time to cook anything, kimchi and steamed rice make a perfect match. Okay, let's try it. Did you guys hear that crunch? So good. Okay. Let's stick it in. Yum. No wonder Mr. Pham, he really enjoyed the fresh kimchi with steamed rice. So good. Wow, look at how much kimchi juice we have after 24 hours. If we don't have enough juice, the chance for the top layer of kimchi will become black is very high. So this is a good sign. Our kimchi has been sitting on the countertop for the last 24 hours to go through the fermentation process. Let's check it out, okay guys? Wow, beautiful color. Okay, let's have a taste. Did you hear that crunch? It's like music to my ears. Anyway, the overall flavor is so wonderful. It's at the right amount of sweet, salty, and sour. This is what we call kimchi is in its prime time, which is in the second stage. And we want to keep this stage for as long as we can. Alright, let's put the lid back on. Close it tight. From here on, we need to keep this jar in the refrigerator at all times. Anyhow, I hope you will give this recipe a try and will enjoy my signature kimchi as much as my family do. Have fun cooking and good luck everyone! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, and leave the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha!